Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to edit menu on WordPress website. All you'll need to do once in your WordPress dashboard, you're going to go down to the bottom left hand menu option and you're going to tap on Appearance. Then I want you to select Menu. After selecting Menu, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you'll need to scroll down. Then after scrolling down, you can select the pages that you would like to add to your menu by simply tapping on Pages. Then you could select View All, and beside the page that you would like to add, you'll simply tick it. And then you could tap on Save Menu in the bottom right hand corner. You can also add posts to your menu, so you could tap on Posts and tap on View All and select this particular post that you would like to add. Or you could tap on Search and search for a specific post. You can also add custom links to your menu. You can also add categories, as you can see right here. And also there is a menu option that allows you to automatically add new top level pages to your menu. So you could tap on that right here, and that's it. Also, if you would like to delete a page or a post from your menu option, all you have to do is tap on the page or post. Then you will see the option Remove, and you could simply tap on Remove. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.